To add emergency contacts into your Samsung Galaxy S26, open the settings and scroll down into the safety and emergency settings. Here you can find emergency contacts. So, by the way, you can hide or show them on the screen, on the lock screen. And now click here to basically add someone into your emergency contact. You can add multiple, and now, as you can see, you can share during emergency calls and the text. So it will send our emergency contacts and medical info to any emergency services that we have call or text. And now when you lock the screen, it should be available somewhere here. But it's not, and that's actually some kind of the weird. Maybe when we go for the emergency call, no, still no available. Yeah, that's weird. I will try to find out what is going on because it's not here, but it should be. But yeah, that's how we can actually add the contacts and manage some options.